How is it going, guys? Muhammad Ali back with another video. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you for coming back to the channel. First off, I would like to thank everyone who subscribed. We just passed 100 subscribers. Maybe for some people it's not much, but trust me, I really appreciate that. Keeps me going, guys, and makes me want to put out more content, quality content for you guys. Speaking of quality content, me and my friend are working on some things to make sure that my videos are perfect, if not perfect, nearly perfect. Messing with some settings of the camera, or maybe getting a new lens, because I'm new to all these things. I'm taking a help from one of my friend. Let's see how it goes. We might get a new lens or change the camera, because first off, I really don't want to change the camera. I think it's pretty good. I will not change the camera until I know that this camera is absolutely useless and I really need a new camera. So anyways, all of that out of the way, let's talk about what's today's video. So finally, guys, we have an update on the Skyline. The guy working at the body shop called me and told me that the left side rear quarter panel is out. Come check it out if things are going well. So I decided, why not? Let's just go and check the rear quarter panel. How did they remove it? Because I want to see all the steps, all the things they do. I want to make sure that, because my first priority for this build is it should look OEM, like the car came with the GTR wide body. So we'll have to be very careful, because I don't want things messing up. So we're gonna go check it out. I will take you guys with me. I'm so excited already. So let's go and check it out. Quarter panel is out, so they told me to come check it out. So guys, check this out. How did they remove it? They even cut this, as you can see, the whole thing, because we have it here. That's the reason. Or else what anyone can do is they can just cut through here. Yeah, they can cut through here and they can remove the quarter panel. Broken Sylvia have done it, but that's the two-door GTT. So this side is done. They told me tomorrow will be this side. So I'm waiting for them to remove this quarter panel, and then we can get to the door. I told them to start from the rear because it's the hardest part. Once this is done, we can get to the front, because that's pretty easy. We don't have to alter anything. So this is the main thing. I'm actually amazed the way these guys worked. I actually like it. Every day they will be calling me and telling me to come check it out if it's going well. Well, I'm actually really happy and excited to see the end result. So I guess I'll have to come tomorrow and see how they do the right side.
2 weeks later.
So hey guys, it's been 2 weeks now. I wasn't able to film. I'm so sorry about that. I did go there, but I did not have a chance to film. I was quite busy these days, so I'm so sorry. I do have a video which was made from one of my friend. He went there to check the car out and he made a video. I'll show you the video now so you can have an idea of how things were going. You can have a look. So this is all before the rear quarter panel was welded in. This is how we did it. I don't know if there is any other way. So yeah, this is how we did it, and as of now, guys, the rear quarter panel is welded in, and we are gonna go check it out. Once again, I'm very sorry I couldn't film everything, all the steps. I'm really sorry about that, but I will try to explain how we fixed the GTR rear quarter panel on a 4-door Skyline. I'll try my best in this video. If I cannot, you can always hit me up on my Instagram, or you can comment down below. What I can do is I can make a different video for only how to install a rear GTR quarter panel on a 4-door Skyline. So let's go and check the car out. I'm pretty stoked. I'm happy the way it turned out. It's amazing. I loved it. So let's go and check the car out. So hey guys, we are at the body shop today, and first off, I'm so sorry I could not show you everything what we have done, how we did it, like cutting and grinding and welding and everything. I'm sorry about that, guys. I deeply apologize. That's in the past, we cannot change it. So anyways, I will make sure in this part of the video I go through everything, so anyone out there that's trying for 4-door GTR conversion can have a clear picture. And second thing, you can always hit me up on my Instagram. It's here, right here. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So first off, I will show you the car, and then we will go through everything. How did we do it, and what were the issues that we faced? So let me just quickly show you the car all around, and then we'll talk about everything. So guys, this is the car. I'm pretty happy. I won't lie, I'm actually happy the way it turned out. It's actually amazing. It's not painted yet. As you can see, they have welded in the whole rear quarter panel. The front fenders are pretty much easy. As you can see, the car is already wide. Let me just go here. Looks amazing. From the rear, it already looks like a GTR. If you don't see the 4 doors, it already looks like a GTR. So from front, sorry about the mess here because we are in a workshop. Sorry about the mess, guys. So from the front, it's pretty much normal except the fenders. We do have the grille, as previously in my videos. If you did not check the previous videos, guys, I recommend you go check them out. So this grille, we will take it out because we do have a grille inside. As you can see, it's right here. That's the grille. We will be changing it because I am not a fan of fiberglass. So this is how the car looks right now, guys. So it's already completed. As you can see, it's already completed, like 80%. I would say like 80% of the work has been done. The paint is remaining, and some other stuff, the back bumper, the lights and everything, it needs some quick fixing. We'll do that. Then the car will go for paint. But I think if you see, there's something missing here. We do need side skirts. So now let me just quickly go through how did we do it. So first off, guys, let me just show you the car and explain it. I think that way it's better. As you can see, guys, this whole thing was one piece. Okay, so what we did was remove this whole piece. The left side rear quarter panel was removed the same way we removed the GTR quarter panel, and then we fixed it till here. There was no cut in the middle. What they did, they fixed it, they welded in some of the spots, so it's almost welded in so it doesn't shake. Then they went through this cut. And guys, make sure this part, so make sure you don't delete this because the GTR doesn't have a back door. This is for the back door. So if you see here closely, there is a metal. Let me just make sure. If you see here closely, guys, there is this thick metal we used to make this thing wider so that it fits the fender. So this cutting was done. We removed this, we marked everything here, and then we removed the quarter panel. If you see here closely, you see, let me just make sure it's focusing. You see, they cut the door, and this is actually a piece from the GTR quarter panel. And one more thing, yes, the main thing which I forgot is the door. You have two options because the GTR door is at the back and the 4-door Skyline is a bit somewhere here. So what we did, we had two options: either go with the 4-door fuel door or go with the GTR fuel door. Of course we went with the GTR fuel door. So yeah, that's for this side. If you go around that side, it's the same, but look how clean the work was done. If you see, like, yes, of course it needs fixing. See, it's removable right now, but here you can actually see the middle piece. Let me just make sure it focuses. If you see here too, you see this middle piece was welded in to make sure this was wider as well. This middle piece and this, if you see, of course the door as well. If you see, metal piece to make sure that it's wide. So this is how it was done, guys. One more thing I will show you, the trunk. If you noticed, we have a different trunk because the trunk right there is for the 4-door, which is a smaller trunk. So we actually went with a GTST and a GTR. So guys, GTST and a GTR trunk are same. It's no difference, not that I know of. If you guys know, if there is a difference, please comment down below. So we will check inside how did we fix this. So I will just quickly tell you, we cut this and this. This part here is from the 4-door. We did not touch this one. We could go an extra mile and fix whole GTR. So of course this was as you can see molded in, and you can see this thing, and of course you can see this thing, everything was done here as well. Because here as well, if you see, look closely, this was all molded in. If you see here, the main thing is here inside the trunk, molded in. We'll just zoom it out, welded in, sorry. And here, if you see you see, that's all welded in. It's a GTST trunk. I did not get a GTR because why get a GTR trunk when you can just get a GTST trunk and it's the same? It doesn't matter. So this is pretty much it, guys. I'm actually happy the way it turned out. Let me just quickly show you once more. I'm from that side for sure. Nope. I'm actually super stoked the way it turned out. Guys, so let's just say it's 70% done. Of course we had some hood issues. If I can just quickly show you, if the camera can pick it up. It's not picking up. Ah yeah, you see this mark? See this mark? These marks? Yeah, perfect. It's picking up now. So basically, that's the issue we have to fix. I'm actually sweating. I'm sorry guys, it's actually hot and I'm trying to make this video as quick as possible. So I'm sorry if I'm talking really quick. So the front, you guys already know how it's done. Of course you do need these lights, the signal lights, because of the fender, how wide it is. The normal ones will not fit. It will fit, but the fender will come over it, so it will look pretty bad. We do actually need new wheels. That's it. That's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I cannot wait, guys, until the paint job is done. I'm super stoked. The way it turned out, it's amazing. So I guess this will do it for this video, guys. If you have any question, once again, any question about the 4-door GTR conversion, please do not hesitate to hit me up on Instagram. I will post my Instagram once again here, somewhere here or there, somewhere here. Just hit me up. I will be more than happy to help you guys. And if you guys like this type of content, please consider subscribing and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.